welcome back to Advancebay. Another day, another challenge. We need some help with the rims because one rim in the crash was smashed. Show the viewers. Here's the smash.
So this is the damaged rim right here. Came out of this side right here, from the car. And so what we need, guys, if you guys know anybody who can actually help us restore rims like this, so basically we are willing to purchase one more wheel to make that set, and maybe we can use our own cars, or we can sell it as a complete set. So we have 3 rims right here. Here's 2 more, and basically 1 rim right there, 2 more right here. And like, looks like this rim needs some kind of repair, some kind of bolts right here, they're missing. I don't know what happened to them.
They probably flew out.
Flew out? Maybe, but I don't see any hidden damage on the wheel.
Well, here's some damage.
Well, that's
from the paint job.
Yeah, that's somebody did maybe a bad paint job, so the paint a little bit peeling right here. We didn't decide yet what to do. If you guys know the manufacturer of this, what's the brand of it? Forgiato brand. I think they're located in LA, Los Angeles, California. I'm not sure. If you guys know their contact, please let us know. We need to order 1 more rim like this, or if you guys want it, we can just sell them, just 3 rims, and you guys deal with 3 rims and finding your own wheel. We can do that too. They will be listed in our eBay store and on our website advancebay.com, but right now we're just looking to get another rim. Right, anything else you want to say?
Subscribe.
Oops, sorry.
Subscribe, ring the bell. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And then go on our website.
Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. So guys, please
subscribe.
Welcome Nicodim from Advancebay
Junior.
Advancebay Junior?
From Advancebay Junior.
Okay. So guys, thank you for watching. Let me turn the camera on myself. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Please, we need your guys' help. He's hiding behind me.
I'm so sure.
We need your guys' help, information. If you guys can comment below where we can, find rims like this to complete our set. Let us know in comments below, please. And please subscribe to our channel. Big thumbs up.
And don't forget to ring the bell.
We have the bell.
Yeah.
We can use that bell. Like little bell.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. And look what we have in our hands. Wow. Goodbye.